What is PAGER? PAGER is a user-friendly technology integration model. Also, PAGER builds towards student-centered technology integration. At the platform landing, teacher integrates technology to deliver or communicate information. Examples of this are digital presentations and learning management systems. The activities landing, teacher integrates technology by replacing or substituting teacher-centered activities. Examples of this are digital worksheets or digital assessment tools. At the Generate landing, students are allowed to explore and research in order to produce a digital product. Students are generating digital presentations, posters, charts, or videos. Most importantly, ownership of learning begins to shift to the student at this landing. The Engage landing. The student begins to present and demonstrate through technology. Examples of this: students are digitally collaborating, sharing, or discussing. This landing allows for student-led learning. At the real-world landing, students pursue authentic learning with technology. There are no examples because all technology is available to the students to solve and create. Here, the students have complete voice and choice. Technology integration, the PAGER model, built by a teacher for the teacher.